Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Yeah, it's not getting completely lower. Oh no, look at this. Hi guys, here's me Anna. Glad to be back because I was on vacation and excited. I think this strategy today is gonna be kind of interesting because I don't expect much, but I have some hopes anyway. You know, for me this is the same, like no man's land, and when you go, you explore, you discover something, and I love it because going just with the same strategies, even with the perfectly working one, is completely boring for me. So I'm here for you to get all these experiments and experience. That's us. I'm gonna be complaining about that strategy again and again. Maybe that seems a little bit, why do we have to hit that? Because she's choosing the indicator she doesn't like, she's choosing the strategies that doesn't work, she knows that in advance, she's using it and complaining. But, if I'm gonna be using all the indicators that I truly love, there's gonna be hundreds of the same videos, and that's it. So I am trying to advertise, or how to say that. So I am trying to make that a little bit more fun, and I am trying to normalize that sometimes the problem is not about the trader, it's all about the strategies and indicators, because not all of them were designed to get you some profits. I truly believe in that. It's not like, there is like an word evil that is designed as to be non-profitable, but there's especially so many indicators just to get us a little bit lost. It's like with the books. Not all of the books are good, but you need to find your gems. Okay, that was a little bit blah blah blah, but we started and going. Look at this. We're going with the sharp turn cycle, and I am proud to say I can see it. Oh, I can see it. Awesome oscillator plus alligator. I think we're gonna get downward. You may say, what about the bottom? What about sharp turn cycle being kinda at the bottom? What about the awesome oscillator candles being almost at a maximum size? That's true. What about the alligator lines crossed and trying to get downward? That's true. But I don't want that to be with that specific pattern that we're going downward, then rising, and then going downward again. And what about the sharp turn cycle? Even when we see it, you can see that the chart is not adjusting. Even if you're gonna be getting downward, the sharp turn cycle gonna be just getting flat, completely flat, by this lowest border. So, but we are actually, you can see that the level is not getting completely, it's not getting completely lower, and we were just at the last part of it. You were all correct, but with the timing, I was right, because now we can see some green candles. How about, I love alligator, but I am missing somewhere here, maybe zigzag or something like that, because when you don't have this line, that is covering all this tops and bottoms, you need to analyze that a little bit longer. So I truly like maybe sometimes even the super trend, and zigzag is kind of helpful, and I would add it right here. Once again, I think that's the pattern right here, and that's just the beginning of the trend. It's not like the really in the very beginning, but we are anyway somewhere at the start of it. but we are actually already somewhere at the bottom. But osmotic candles turn red and going below zero, and they're going with this, you know, like normal size, so there is not a like breaking or something. That's really good sign, because if the candles are predictable, the tendencies are also kind of predictable. So we like it, we really like it. Chapter cycle, just remember the period. It's one of the, I cannot say best one, but that's one of the working one, because you can see shaft and cycle quite precisely. Seems like, how about closing? But I feel like it's gonna be the rising. And look at this, and shaft and cycle being at the bottom. You can see the fluctuation is not that big on the chart, but shaft and cycle showing us, okay, that's it. This is one of the lowest levels. We may go downward with this type of shaft and cycle as it was before, I know that, but oh no, look at this, awesome oscillator. No, we gotta be rising. You tricking me. Yep. Plus alligator, so you can see that the alligator lines, they got crossed and they went right here. So we may expect some falling, but alligator lines, they are not lying. They are not lying. Ooh. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. That's beautiful. But anyway, the chart is tricky. I mean, it's not that bad actually, because I got quite easily with this tricky situation. With most of the bad strategies, I would be like, is it going to be the big falling or not? Is it going to be the big rising? Here, that was kind of clear. But you can see that the candles are tiny, and that's always a tricky situation. Okay, then there is something with my voice. I think I just it's not like a lot of the videos for today. I think I just forgot how it is. I got too much days off, and my voice was like not gonna work any longer, because I can feel it, that it's going like, oh, something is going on. Okay, it's not a hospital. You are not a doctor to listen to all that complaints. Once again, look at these alligator lines that got crossed and showing us the tendency is going to be for the downward one. And of course, we can see that before. You can see that actually fluctuation is kind of small, and alligator lines are touching each other quite often. But I think somewhere here is going to be the bottom, and we may go, and yes, you can see that with the osmotic candles. The time frame. Here we are with the time frame. That was the pattern. We had the space to go downward to be at the bottom. So, that's beautiful. Look at this shaft trend cycle. I was like in the beginning, so I'm gonna be complaining, I'm gonna be talking bad stuff, but I'm surprised and satisfied. Okay, got all of this money, and look at that. Surprise, surprise. I didn't expect that. Truly, I didn't expect that. I was already in the beginning of like, I'm gonna be complaining, that's gonna be a complete disaster. I must say, just disaster. But that was one of the best lately. So if you can handle the shaft trend cycle, that's actually gonna be the nice one. Really nice one, because it's not hypersensitive, it is not overreacting on all of the candles, and you just go smoothly and actually quite confident with all these big tendencies. So I'm speechless, guys. So don't forget, want to know more, want to have more, you know where to find me.